Hello students, today we are going to start standard 7th subject maths chapter number 6 indices. Practice set 26. As you can see in your textbook, page number 44, complete the table below. Here the indices numbers is given to you and you have to find the base index and then you have to multiply and find the value. So let's start how to do 3 raised to 4. So in this base is 3. So here I have they have written 3 and index means 3 raised to 4, the raise one you will write the 4 or you can say power, that is index 4. Now you have to multiply the number. So 4 times 3 you will write 3 3s are 3 3s are and 3 3s are. So you will get 81. Same way 16 raised to 3 you will do. In this base is 16, index is 3 and 3 times you will write 16. 1, 2 and 3. So you will multiply and then you will get answer 4,996. 4,096 you will get. Now here they didn't given you the indices. So you have to find now. Base is -8. So you will write here -8. Index is 2. That means the power is 2. So in this way you can write. Now you will multiply this 2 times. So 8 8s are 64. 64 I will write, minus get will cancel. So only 64. Same way the fourth one we will see. So with the help of multiplication number we will write the indices. So 3 upon 7. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the power will be 4. So I am writing here 4. Now your base is 3 upon 7. Index is 4. Now base -13. Index 4. 13 how many times? 4 times we will write. 13 multiplied by -13 multiplied by -13 multiplied by -13. Now this will give you answer 28,561. 28,561. So like this you have to solve question number 1. Now simultaneously we will see question number 2. Find the value. So find the value of 2 raised to 10. So 2 times 10 times 2 you will write. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and you will multiply, you will get answer 1024. Same way 5 raised to 3. So 3 times 5 you will write and you will get answer 125. Same way the third one also, only here the minus sign is given. So 4 times you have to write. Here I have written 4 times. Now students, in this what you have to remember, here the minus sign is there. So this 2 I have multiplied. 7 7s are 49 and this minus will get cancelled. Same way this also. 7 7s are 49 and this minus sign will cancel. Now 49 multiplied by 49 you will get 2401. Same way we will see the fourth one, -6. So -6 3 times -6 you will write and you can see here students, this 6 6 are 36, right? So you can write here 36, but this minus sign will get cancelled. So this as it is you will write. Now 36 6 are, this will give you 216. So this minus sign you will write here. In this way you have to solve the fourth sum. See the fifth one. 9 raised to 3. So 3 times 9 you will write. 9 multiply by 9 multiply by 9. This will give you 729. See the sixth one. 8 raised to 1. Only 8 you will write. 4 by 5. So how you will write this? 4 by 5 raised to 3. So 4 by 5 multiply by 4 by 5, 4 by 5. So 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4 and 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. So of this you will get answer 64, like 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Here 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. In this way you have to take out the answer. Same way, only the difference is the minus they have given it. So same way we will write minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So this I will make one pair. So minus minus will cancel. 1 by 4. 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. Same way here also minus minus sign will be cancelled. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Now 1 1s are 1. As you can see here, 1 1s are 1 and 4 4s are 16. So in this way we get 1 upon 16 answer. So here we complete this practice set 26. So in the next video I will show you practice set 27. Thank you students.